SAP S/4HANA. Application Services, Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master SAP S/4HANA. Application Services and gain expertise in SAP Application Management, Functional Support, Application Monitoring, Incident Management, Change Management, Business Process Support, Integration, Troubleshooting, and Enterprise Application Operations. Our comprehensive SAP S/4HANA Application Services training program is designed to help professionals manage, support, monitor, and optimize SAP S/4HANA applications across enterprise environments. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world application support, business process management, issue resolution, system monitoring, and service operations. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services.
The organizations that will lead tomorrow are investing in their people today. They recognize that mastering the intelligent enterprise requires agility at scale. By leveraging SAP Analytics Cloud, they can move beyond data entry and unlock new levels of insight. With S/4HANA, they can create a continuous evolution framework that empowers their workforce to innovate and drive digital transformation. By doing so, they can achieve high-performance core capabilities, including predictive intelligence and embedded AI. These capabilities enable them to accelerate business decisions and simplify complex processes. In fact, thousands of global organizations have already chosen SAP S/4HANA as the foundation for their enterprise-wide transformation, recognizing its potential to drive digital transformation and deliver significant benefits. The evolution of enterprise software has been a long journey, starting with the traditional transactional systems like SAP R/3. Over time, this system has evolved into the more advanced and intelligent platform known as SAP S/4HANA. This new platform offers several improvements over its predecessor, including in-memory computing, which allows it to process large amounts of data much faster than previous systems. Additionally, SAP S/4HANA features a modern and intuitive user interface called SAP Fiori, which provides a more efficient and user-friendly way of interacting with the system. With these advancements, businesses can now have access to real-time insights and information, allowing them to make better decisions and stay ahead of the competition. SAP's S/4HANA system is an enterprise resource planning ERP solution that meets the needs of businesses across various industries. The S/4HANA Fiori Launchpad serves as the central hub for users to access and manage their data, providing a personalized experience through role-based tiles and customizable layouts. HS show quote. Mastering these navigation tools enables users to efficiently manage their core ERP functions, including intelligent enterprise capabilities. S/4HANA functions align with SAP's strategic direction, enabling businesses to optimize their operations and improve decision-making. The foundational processes of S/4HANA include finance, sales, and supply chain management. These foundational processes form the basis for more specialized topics, allowing participants to develop a deeper understanding of S/4HANA's capabilities and how they can be applied in their organizations. The simplification journey is a critical component of the C4HA implementation process. The goal of the simplification journey is to simplify the existing SAP system by removing unnecessary complexity and reducing costs. The simplification journey involves several key steps, including the identification of legacy objects, tables, and transactions that are deprecated or restructured in C4HANA. These legacy items must be handled according to specific rules and guidelines to ensure a smooth transition to the new system. The simplification journey also includes the business partner readiness check and conversion process, as well as the customer and vendor master process records. participants who complete the simplification journey will gain valuable insights into the key elements involved in the simplification process and be better equipped to navigate the complex processes associated with it. The simplification journey can be divided into 3 phases. 1. Legacy object identification. 2. Simplification planning. 3. Implementation and testing. During the first phase, participants identify legacy objects that are deprecated or restructured in SAP S/4HANA lesser way. They then analyze the impact of these changes on their business processes and develop a plan for handling these legacy items. In the second phase, participants implement and test the simplified systems, ensuring that they meet the required standards and specifications. In the third phase, participants refine their plans based on lessons learned during the implementation process. Participants who complete the simplification journey will gain valuable insights into the key elements involved in the simplification process and be better equipped to navigate the complex processes associated with it. The process of adapting custom code to SAP S/4HANA requires careful planning and execution. SAP S. To begin, it's essential to understand the differences between the old system and S/4HANA. This includes recognizing the impact of CS/4HANA on database objects, such as tables, views, and indexes. You must also be aware of the changes in data types, including the use of character sets and Unicode support. Furthermore, you need to consider the implications of SAP S/4HANA on function modules and syntax, which may require adaptations to ensure compatibility. Additionally, you should be prepared to address potential issues related to legacy code, such as deprecated statements and field length extensions. The training provided by Vistasparks Solutions is highly effective because it focuses on practical skills rather than theoretical knowledge. The trainers are experienced consultants who have worked on numerous projects and can provide valuable insights into real-world challenges. The training modules include interactive exercises that simulate real-life situations, allowing participants to practice their skills in a controlled environment. By the end of the training, participants will have gained practical knowledge and skills that they can apply immediately to their own projects. The training also emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and provides resources such as reusable templates, checklists, and code snippets to support this goal. The implementation process for a new system can be complex and time-consuming. To mitigate this complexity, SAP has developed an implementation roadmap that provides a clear path forward. This roadmap outlines the critical success factors necessary for successful implementation, including risk mitigation strategies. The roadmap also includes tools and resources to help plan phases, assign ownership, and track milestones with confidence. One key aspect of the implementation process is the use of structured testing strategies to identify potential issues early on. Cutover planning and parallel run techniques are also essential for ensuring a smooth transition during the go-live phase. By applying these strategies, organizations can minimize risks and ensure a successful implementation. The power of practical application theory without practice leaves gaps. Our training is engineered around real business challenges, not abstract concepts. We draw our exercises from live project scenarios, ensuring relevance and applicability. Trained by experienced SAP consultants who actively apply their knowledge in every session, participants take away reusable templates, checklists, and code snippets, enhancing their own projects. A culture of continuous learning is embedded throughout the program, fostering long-term growth and improvement. The impact of training on an organization can be seen in 2 distinct ways: before and after. Prior to implementing our training solutions, many organizations were plagued by siloed data, disconnected legacy systems, and overnight batch reports that provided stale and unreliable information. This led to low user adoption and resistance to change, resulting in high maintenance costs for fragile custom code. In contrast, after implementing our training solutions, organizations have experienced a unified digital core with real-time data visibility, instant analytical insights for faster decision-making, and scalable, cloud-ready innovation frameworks. Furthermore, our training has enabled confident and proficient teams to drive measurable ROI, consistently delivering S/4HANA projects faster, with fewer defects and higher-end user satisfaction scores. By investing in our training solutions, organizations can bridge the gap between their current state and a more modern, efficient, and effective digital landscape. Our specialist modules provide deep dive coverage of C/4HANA functional and technical domains, ensuring you have the necessary expertise to drive business value. We offer structured proficiency assessments and continuous coaching to optimize system performance, as well as quarterly update sessions aligned to SAP's release cycle, guaranteeing that your investment continues to compound over time. The Migration Path support model helps you navigate the complexities of transitioning to new systems, while our support model ensures ongoing assistance throughout the entire process. This holistic approach enables you to effectively measure and manage the success of your SAP implementation, ultimately driving long-term benefits for your organization.